friends, welcome to Study Corner for You. I'm Samaira Patel. In my previous video, we had learnt about collective nouns and compound words, but today we will be learning about degrees of adjectives. Before we learn about degrees of adjectives, it is important to know what are adjectives. Have you seen my video on adjectives? If not, I have shared its link in the description box below. Go check it out. An adjective of quality changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with another. It is called the degrees of comparison of an adjective. We add and s to most one or two syllable words that end in consonants. For example, positive, dull, comparative, duller, superlative, dullest. When the positive ends in e, we add only r and st to the adjective. For example, positive, large, comparative, larger, superlative, largest. In this particular example, the word large ends with the alphabet E. That's why we only use R in the comparative degree and ST in the superlative degree. When the positive ends in consonant plus Y, we drop the Y and add IER and IEST. For example, positive, happy. Comparative, happier. Superlative, happiest. When the positive is long, meaning it is a word of two or more syllables, we add more and most before the adjective to form comparative and superlative degrees. For example, positive, beautiful. Comparative, more beautiful. Superlative, most beautiful. Let us have a look at this example.
You look beautiful.
Thank you. You look beautifuler. I mean, not fuller. You don't look fuller, but more beautiful.
Thank you.
But how will we know that it is a multi-syllable word? For that, I have a short and easy trick. Keep your hand right below your chin and keep the back side to the chin. And keep just a little gap and say the word beautiful. Beautiful. Did my hand touch my chin 3 times? Let's do it one more time and observe carefully. Beautiful. So that means that the word beautiful is a 3-syllable word. Wasn't that an easier trick to understand? There are some adjectives that do not form the comparatives and superlatives from their positives. They have irregular degrees of comparison. For example, good, better, best and little, less, least. Let us have a look at some examples of irregular comparison. Later, latter, latest, last. But later and latest refer to time and latter and last refer to position. Let's have a look at these examples. I have not heard the latest news. This sentence refers to time. The last chapter is interesting. This sentence refers to position. Elder, older, eldest, oldest. But elder and eldest refer to people, usually members of the same family. On the other hand, older and oldest refer to people and things. Let's have a look at these examples. John is my elder brother. This sentence refers to members of the same family. This is by far the oldest building in the region. This sentence refers to a thing, that is a building. We use than for comparative degree and the for superlative degree. For example, Monica is shorter than Mia. Rita is the shortest girl in her class. I hope you enjoyed learning the degrees of adjectives with me today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Study Corner for You. Until next time, bye-bye.